Would you like to earn extra income online without needing a big investment? In today's video, I'll share 5 simple side hustles that anyone can start step by step and grow to at least $500 per month, no matter where you live. Step 1. Freelancing. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can offer skills such as design, writing, or video editing. Even beginners can make $50 to $200 a week with just a few hours of work. It's flexible, and you can start from home. Step 2. Print on demand. Instead of keeping stock, you can design t-shirts, mugs, or posters and sell them worldwide. Websites like Etsy, Shopify, or Redbubble handle printing and shipping for you. You simply upload your designs and the orders come in. Step 3. YouTube/content creation. Sharing your ideas or knowledge online is more powerful than you think. With ads and sponsorships, your content can generate income from people all over the world. What matters is not being perfect, but being consistent. Step 4. AI services. AI tools like ChatGPT or MidJourney let you create writing, artwork, or even business ideas. Many businesses need this type of service, and you can offer it as a beginner. This is a fast-growing opportunity today. Step 5. Dropshipping. In dropshipping, you sell products online without buying inventory. When someone orders, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This is one of the simplest ways to run a global store as a beginner. Don't feel like you need to try everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 of these ideas and stay consistent. With small daily effort, you can reach $500 per month sooner than you think. The key is to start, because waiting brings no results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next tips. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which side hustle will you try first? Thank you for watching. Stay motivated, keep learning, and remember, financial freedom begins with small, consistent steps.